Electrical charge. If you have a mobile phone, then you know how often they need charging. To charge a mobile phone, you need to let an electric current flow into the battery for a certain amount of time. The longer you leave your phone charging, the greater the charge it gets. So, from that understanding, we can determine that charge depends on current and time. Here's the equation. Charge equals current times by time. Charge is measured in coulombs, current is measured in amps, time is measured in seconds. In symbols, we say Q equals I times by T. To remember this equation, it looks like quit. If 1 amp of current flows into your phone battery for 1 second, your phone battery has received 1 coulomb of charge. Let's look at that statement more closely. Electric current is the rate of flow of charge. Each electron has a tiny charge of minus 1.6 times 10 to the minus 19 coulombs, which looks like this, if you write it out in full. 6.25 million electrons are needed to create a charge of 1 coulomb. And if that 1 coulomb of charge flows past a certain point in a circuit in 1 second, it creates a current of 1 amp. If 2 coulombs of charge flows past a certain point in a circuit in 1 second, it creates a current of 2 amps. Here are some example questions with answers to learn from. Work out the charge going into a phone battery if a current of 2.1 amps flows for 10 minutes. The time must be converted into seconds, so 10 minutes is 10 times by 60 seconds, which equals 600 seconds. Answer. Work out how long a battery has been charging if it has received a charge of 7,200 coulombs from a current of 4 amps. Answer. We need to rearrange the equation to use the magic triangle. Cover up what you're looking for to reveal the equation you need. See my video about magic triangles if you don't know how to make and use them. The link is above and I'll put another link at the end. Answer. Here's some questions for you. Pause the video and give them a try. Here's the answers. Hope that video was helpful. Subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, comment below if there's any videos you want me to make. Stay safe, work hard, be nice. See you in the next one. Bye for now.